and in the rain. We're going to Middlesbrough on our mountain bikes. As you can see, the fucking heavens have opened up. Big stuff. Is that right when we left? Here we go, on our mountain bikes. Fucking, I'm in Middlesbrough. This is July in Middlesbrough, summertime in Middlesbrough. Off to fucking ride out to Flares, and we're in a bus stop, escaping in the rain. Andy's got his new top on. New town, it's about apathy. Yeah, so it's early. He's on his lizard mount. I'm not on my third. Yeah, well, that's just how it is in the northeast. As you can see, it likes to rain around here. Enjoy the views. Yep. I'm just sitting around. We're back to Middlesbrough now. Hopefully we'll go on bike mix. Oh, I've got a nice new top on there. It's soaked already.